Watch this.
That is insane. Alright, hey guys, so we're back out here in the shop. It's Monday. We took a break. We took a rest day yesterday, and we weren't feeling very good. I wasn't feeling good especially, so we just rested. So the car will get washed today, so we're a day behind on what we normally are, but we either usually wash it on Sunday or Monday, and just happens this week it'll be Monday. So we should be racing this weekend at Magnolia Motor Speedway, so we look forward to getting over there. But in the meantime, let's get this car washed and we'll show you a little bit of our process. Alright, so this is the current state of the car. That's what we're working with. So if you've ever had a race car, particularly a late model, this plastic, you want to get it off the car and let it relax as quick as possible so that it doesn't stay like that, because the plastic is bad about not wanting to go back. So that's why it's just kind of hanging there. We can finagle that a little bit and get it back to looking pretty good. But had we left it on there, it would have been really hard to get it back to the way it was. So anyways, the nose is off of her. The T-bar, but that's okay. It's okay. We got a fabricator. He can work with that. So we brought a lot of Talladega mud with us. But anyway, let's get this thing ready to get washed. We got to get it on the dolly and get it out there. Alright guys, so we got a quick product to show you guys. Let's get over here and show you.
Dummy me, forgot to turn the camera on. But from there over, I sprayed some ProGlow, the powder spray on it. Before we went to the track the other night though, I wiped the entire front end down with that new product. They have the ProGlow Quick Shine, which is a silicone based product. Watch this.
That is insane.
There, don't turn the camera off.
That is insane. I've never seen something work like that.
Just hold on a second. So you can see that side over there is the only side that I sprayed with that ProGlow the other night. This side,
and obviously he didn't get the bat wing.
Yeah, I didn't spray that or the valence, but I'm gonna get it.
So he just sprayed right there on the nose and the filler, and you can see there. That's insane.
Well, this is just the regular power wash, the powder that you seen us giving away the other night at the racetrack. So all this is the powder. Mixed into a gallon of water. It's mixed to the recommended ratio. And in my experience, it works better whenever the car is dry. To me, it works better if you don't pre-wash the car. Kind of like I just done right there. Got everything wet.
In other words, it works better when it's not as diluted.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, we're gonna wash the whole car with this stuff, and I'll spray it on the car, and I'll show you guys that.
It's like melting it off already right there, though.
Pretty good stuff. Just let it sit there for a second and let it kind of break down. I'm impatient for video purposes.
And gotta have a pressure washer.
Look at this flopper right here. Come show it really good.
Alright, so here's before.
So this is just a regular standard garden hose.
Alright, and this is after.
I mean, it's got some tire marks in it, so it's kind of burnt in, but we'll try that one more time.
You probably missed that whole spot when you were spraying.
I probably did. Let's get it this time.
Because it came off so much better on the other side. And we've used ProGlow in the past, so we know it works well.
Yes.
This is not the first time we've ever used it. We've used it for a while.
Use it just about every week.
And have for the last year or so.
Those tire marks make a difference.
Hard to get it off of it.
Nonetheless, our stuff was on there pretty thick. And we haven't scrubbed that at all.
So the moral of the story.
ProGlow takes the mud off like it's advertised.
Intended to do.
Yes. Now I did put the quick shine pre-treatment on that section Saturday night. I did not put the quick shine on the rest of the car. So we're going to do a test here. Y'all saw how easy that pretty much came off. And truthfully, I mean, I'll probably scrub that just a little bit on the valence down there and call it good. But we're going to push the car out. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to spray it on there dry. I'm not going to pre-wash or pre-soak. Spray it on there dry. And we're going to see what the ProGlow does to the car, untreated with the quick shine. So the way the car's at, that's where we're going to start it. But
just with the ProGlow powder, no quick shine.
Yes, just ProGlow powder. That's what we'll be testing on the car. Like I said, we're not pre-washing the car. We're not going to pre-soak nothing. We're just going to spray this on there. We're just going to spray this on here the way it is. It's dry. Hadn't been touched since Saturday night. I'm going to spray it on, and I'm going to let it set long enough for me to take the water hose off of the pressure washer and put the standard garden hose sprayer back on. That's how long I'm going to let it set on there for. So let's see what it does. You can already see it melting the mud off the car.
You melting the mud off the car?
Alright guys, so we're going to let him spray that and then we'll come back whenever he starts rinsing it. Because I'm not going to sit here and hold this camera for 5 minutes watching him spray that. Alright, we're back.
Alright guys, so we got the ProGlow power wash sprayed on. That's all we have. We've used it all this week. That was 1 scoop of the powder if you buy the bags. That was 1 scoop of the power wash to 1 gallon of water. We've used it for every body panel. I completely emptied it under the car. You can already see it melting the mud off the car right there. We're just gonna hit it with a standard garden hose, no pressure washer for now. There you have it, no scrub. As you most know, that the quarter panels and underneath the deck area is always really hard to get clean. Watch this right here. You see how dirty that is?
Yeah.
Back up.
It's crazy I showed them a while ago, but that's after.
Normally, that red clay Talladega, we have to scrub that panel right there. And all I literally done was sprayed some of that ProGlow right there just a minute ago while it was dry. And it just rinsed off, even the white down there. We all know how hard it is to keep white plastic white, but I mean, there's some stain in there, but it's pretty good and white.
That's insane how good that works. Honestly forgot how good it does work. But this is what it is. I'll show you the package. This is what it comes in. ProGlow Power Sports Wash. But anyway, ProGlow truly, like, no joke, you take the product away that they gave us, if we paid our own money for it, or paid for it with our own money, we would give the same review. So, and we have bought it. We bought it from Performance Bodies. So we are actually a dealer for Performance Bodies, and you can get it through there. So if you guys are wanting to get some, reach out to us on Facebook or on email, and we'll take care of you. We'll get that taken care of and get you some coming your way. Like I said, Performance Bodies, I can't remember exactly how much it is. It's less than $20, I can tell you that. And then you got shipping and all that. But anyway, if you're needing some new wash for the race car, I mean, I think this video pretty much speaks for the wash. So wash day is behind us. You watched the whole process pretty much there. So hopefully you guys will see this video tomorrow on Tuesday. We'll try to get this edited and get it out, and hopefully be able to get you some more video in this week than what we have been. Thanks to all of our partners, Warp Speed Performance Parts. Huh?
If you're in the market for ProGlow, let them know we sent you. If you're going to be at Magnolia this weekend, we'll have some single shot to us.
Yes, yes. So if you're in the market, you can order it through them, or you can order it through us. We'll take care of you either way. And we will have some single shots with us this weekend in Magnolia if you want to try it. Before you actually buy some, we'll have it with us. So come by and see us. All right, guys. So thanks to all of our partners: Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barrier Apparel Co., WJI Enterprises, GetMyInternet.com, Booger Brooks Racing, BB Designs, Penske Racing Shops, Gorsuch Performance, Brinn Transmission, PPM Racing Products. Thanks to all of those guys. We couldn't do it without you guys.
So, yes, like Mama said, we already got this moved on a little bit. We're going to probably be at Magnolia unless we get rained out. We're going to try to go to Magnolia next Friday and
This Saturday.
And we're going to race, and maybe we'll do some more video on that Saturday, and maybe we'll go to I'm going to race some more. And we'll just, of course, we're going to do some videos, of course, too.
All right, guys. We'll see you.